What video are you watching? 20 seconds or 5 minutes?
20 seconds.
The number one excuse of salespeople is, well, I don't want to shoot a video because I got to walk outside, I got to do a full walk around on the car, blah, 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 blah. BDC people especially that just make the phone calls, they never shoot video, and their excuse is, well, I don't have time to go out there and shoot a video. You can shoot a quick 20-second video from anywhere. Most of the time when I send videos in class, I'm just in a conference room and I got a white wall against me. I'm not selling the car on the video. I'm just selling engagement. Hey, buyer, this is Kyle. I gave you a call a couple times because I found the perfect car. Give me a call as soon as you get this, please. I call, they don't answer. I call again, they don't answer. I call again, they don't answer. After the third phone call, I send them a video. And I don't try and sell the car. I just try and sell the what? Engagement. You don't have to wait until sunset and have a camera crew out there and stuff. You guys way overthink the videos. Send videos to who?
Everybody.
Good. Use your dealership's tool process. Are we using a tool or are we doing it from our cell phones? Code video. Okay, excellent. So use Code Video. Code Video is great. And then make sure everybody else knows what you're doing. If you're supposed to do it through Code Video, do them all through Code Video so everybody can see it. Missed appointments. Missed appointments. We talked about this already. When do we call the customer for a missed appointment?
Right away.
If they don't answer, what do we do?
Call again.
If they don't answer, what do we do?
Call again.
Call at least 2 or 3 times. And then, hey buyer, this is Kyle. I'm outside in the parking lot. Now you know what I'm wearing, what I look like today. It's about 100 degrees out here. I'm going to be out here, so if you're running a few minutes late or I can't find you, just give me a call. Thank you. I'm standing outside, right in VIP parking. If somebody forgot about the appointment and they see that, hey, I'm outside in a suit, it's 100 degrees. At a minimum, they might tell you, hey, I forgot. Make sure that we get engagement. That's all we're doing. Now notice that or notice this. What happens if this comes in an hour later? Hey buyer, this is Kyle from Royal Honda. It appears you missed your appointment. If you would like to reschedule, I'm always available. Our hours are 9. You see the difference? One of them's polished and professional. One of them is effective. The most effective people I know are usually the least professional. They don't worry about tell the person that you're what?
I'm standing outside waiting for you, looking for your car.
Yeah, it's 100 degrees, man. What are we doing? We're doing this? We're not doing this? Come on. And if someone sent that to me, I'd be like, oh, I feel so bad. And I would text the person, tell them, I'm running late. Hey, I forgot. They'll call you. We're selling engagement. Appointment confirmations. Ideally, on the appointment confirmation, you don't need to resell the whole car. You're just selling the confirmation. It might go like this. Hi buyer, this is Kyle from Royal Honda. The reason I'm sending you this video is take a look at how many Accords we have over there. We got the best selection anywhere. When you pull up today at 5:15, I'm going to be right out front waiting for you, and my manager really wants to buy your Civic. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you. How long was that video? 14 seconds. Short, sweet, to the point. So appointment confirmations, it's better if you stand where they're going to park and let them know you're going to be where? Waiting for them. Make the appointment feel real. And I might even do something like this. As awkward as this is, it is super effective. Hey, buyer, look at that handsome guy right there. That's the guy that just called you. This is Kyle. That's Walt. And I'm outside right now. I'm going to go find your car. I'm going to pull it up. Walter's looking forward to me. I may have him in the background if he did the confirmation. I'm looking for realism. Make sense?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I'm not looking for, hi, I'm a plastic person. You might as well use AI if you're that worried about it.